ASAN stock analysis March 13 and onward. Should you buy now? I'm covering this in the next 1 minute. And after 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars in trading mentors and education, I figured out what's making me money. And everything is documented on this YouTube channel. Asana Incorporated, after it fell, like, I mean, although it went up 6% last week going combined, let's see, it's gone on 26%. So not a lot of people look at the broader picture. But yeah, it's not looking this good, honestly. Like, not looking this good. By the way, everything is documented on my YouTube channel. And with Asana, it's just, I mean, I was quite frankly correct. Like, if the likelihood that I continue to see these lower lows being made and cleared out is still quite high. So unless there's like a big catalyst or some breaks above 20 bucks, it's still just going to be this bearish market for me. And guess what? I'll continue to keep you updated. So if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description. There is a lot of sauce. Goodbye.